Hi guys, my name is Joyce and this is the Londonist DMC YouTube channel, and today we're going to be showing you inside Chapter Aldgate. So this is the common kitchen and the common area / games room. So you can use this kitchen here to sit and eat with your friends, have a little lunch. There's a fridge there as well, so you can put any sort of cold drinks. Very aesthetic. And then we've got a really nice pool table here, and it's got loads of seats, so it's a really nice area to chill with your friends, hang out, maybe do a little tournament. And then it does have a TV there as well for extra entertainment. And then we've got a nice little food table. I've played this once, I think, so I'm not really good at it, but if you're good, then you should definitely play a little tournament with your friends. And then we've got a piano here. I don't really know how to play, but this is really cool. If one of your friends knows how to play piano, they can be the little entertainer for the night. I really love how spacious it is as well. And then again here, this is another area where you can just hang out, chill. You can even use it to study as well. Cinema room, guys. It's got so many seats. It's super comfortable. So this is honestly so cool, guys. It's got this massive TV where you can watch movies. And to be honest, it doesn't even have to be movies. It can be a little YouTube video, a little screening. And then of course it does have really good quality sound as well, surround sound. So it really makes you feel like you are actually in the cinema. So this is the study room, guys. This looks absolutely phenomenal. It's very, very peaceful vibes. And I love all the plants on here, really adds to the aesthetic. Very peaceful. And it's got these floor to ceiling windows all around. So you get this panoramic view of all of London. Very, very nice. To be honest, it is actually quite nice here when it's raining. Gorgeous view. And then yeah, it's got loads of different seating areas here. It's got couches, it's got little stools there. You can use it to, you know, hang out, chill, but this is a study room, so it's nice and quiet if you should just focus and lock in on your studies. Then it's got some books here as well, which could aid you in whatever you're studying. Extra private room, which is separate from the rest of the study area for study groups, or you can also come here on your own if you just want your own little section here. This can be used for presentations, study videos, anything like that. So this is the gym, guys. It's super, super spacious, very, very big. It's got loads of different types of equipment. Also has a TV there with which you can play your own music for entertainment as well. So yeah, it's got running machines, and then it's got some free weights here like dumbbells. And it does also have a mat as well, so you can do yoga or floor exercises and things like that. And it does also come with a bar and mirror as well, so you can do sort of stretches here, ballet, any type of dancing that involve the bar. And yeah, overall really nice gym. And it does actually also have women-only hours, so that's really good. This is where the mailboxes are, where you get all of your mail. And then we come into the laundry. So this is the laundry. It smells so good in here. You just have to download the app and then it will give you all the instructions on how you can wash and dry your clothes. So it is on site, which is really handy. You don't have to worry about any sort of exterior laundry. It has this kitchen here. It has a microwave, very spacious as you can see. And then it's got all of this storage here underneath. And then of course this fridge with a little freezer there as well to put all of your groceries and food. And then you walk into this spacious bedroom. It's so spacious, and guys, please look at the view. The view is amazing. It's got these massive windows here. The view is honestly so gorgeous. And then of course it does come with a built-in desk and chair as well. So again, this can be used to study, chill, whatever you want to do here, write your goals for the new year. And then this is the double bed. And then of course the wardrobe. So this is a very spacious wardrobe. It will definitely fit all of your things in here. So yeah, that's really handy to have. And then we have this shelf here. Again, this can be used to put your books, decorations, any other things that you need to store. So yeah, so this is the bathroom, guys. Very modern, very sleek design. Very nice. And then it does come with a heated towel rack as well, which is really nice. So when you come out the shower, you can have a nice little warm towel to dry yourself. And then this is the shower. Very spacious, very nice and sleek. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the terrace. It's currently rainy weather in London, but this is the terrace area, really nice and spacious, just to get some fresh air. And it's got these really cool aesthetic lights as well. So in the night, it will be really nice to come out here and just chill, get some fresh air. And it does have these heaters up there as well. So if you are feeling cold at the night, you can turn them on to heat yourself up. And then of course it also does have a ping pong table to keep you entertained in the outside area. So that's really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also check out our website to see what other residences we offer as well. And by the way, we've also done lots of different residence tours, so have a little look at our YouTube channel and see what other residences we have toured to get a closer look of the amenities and things like that. Thanks for watching, bye!